heck?
The National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Pima County in southeastern Arizona until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 3:13 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, races have occurred in a matter of minutes, even from distant rainfall. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: Northeast Pima and Southeast Pima. Radar. Impact. Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Vail. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.